Okay, the location is right behind the oil filter. This is the oil filter, right behind it. And when you take it out, here's the part that we took out, right here. There will be some oil drop. We tried to catch it, except we had the pan in the wrong place. You get a better idea. It's going to be right by the oil filter area. There will be some oil. And the way it works out is you get 4 of those bolts at 10 millimeter. You take out the pan, and the way you get to it is you get it from this side to take the wires off. You do it from this side. This is the tool that we use. It's swivel, the large whatever ratchet, and short extension. You need a short extension, a swivel, and the ratchet. And this is 15/16, almost 1 inch. And when you put it on, use this to move, to take it easy, because that item is very fragile and these tools are big. So spin it with your hand. Let me see. So when you put it on, first grab, taking it off, it was rather easy, but putting it on, you put it on, use this little plastic to spin. I went ahead and put a Teflon right there. This thing, I got original one, got some kind of seal, which probably I do not have access to. But anyway, you spin it, and once you spin it, use the tool like this to do the rest of your spinnings. Don't use this yet. Okay? At the final, at the end, when you no longer can turn it by hand using this 15/16, go ahead and use the tool. Don't get crazy and break it, because you can break it off. Okay? I hope this helps somebody. But the short extension, these are the tools we used. Okay? That's it. Total time, probably 20 minutes. Bye.